And blast for the past. Blast for the past. Had to research something. Went to the microfilm, got like microfilms, like these little cards. I went over to the machine. Mark Morris, you know me, engineer. Sometimes I help people with engineering projects. I was doing some research because he said, I can figure this out. Once I knew where some of the records are, that made it a little bit easier. But what made it hard was like trying to figure out how to use the microfilm machine. It's like, last time I used it was to research an illegal permit in Yucca Valley. Got in trouble for being too strict. I was being Mike Malone on somebody. I said, could you tell me what the hell you're doing out there? Then ask him, sir, how are you today? Are you having a nice day? No, when are you give me problems? I'm gonna give you problems, man. I ain't gonna come at you like, it's okay, I'm getting someone sticking a foot up my ass. How are you today, sir? Fuck. So that's why I've learned I better mellow out. But today was the biggest challenge ever though. How to learn how to use that microfilm machine. I had to be there for like 10 minutes just looking at it. I was like, what the fuck? It's like a circle. It said insert film. Do this, do that. It took me 10 minutes to turn it on to figure out how to position the card. Then it probably took me another 2 hours to actually get comfortable figuring out how to move the little card around so you can read it, how to line it up. I was like, man, is this how we used to do it in the old days? Wow. Wonder why those people were so smart and so skinny, because it took forever to get stuff done manually. And then on top of that, to make my day even worse, I tried to log on my computer and the iPhone with Microsoft, whatever it is. They had a conflict, so it kicked me out the computer and took away my credentials. Let's go back to the microfilm. You guys agree? Microfilm. Well, you can just open the drawer, pull out what you want, or do you want to want like iPhone, computer sync, cut one off because the signals, the Wi-Fi signals of both are combining. I'm like, what? That's how I started my day off. Just when I was going to go to the field, I was working on the project. But that's how I'm ending my Friday. Let me know what you think, man. More tech or no more? Or how about low tech versus high tech? What do you think? Who knows how to use a microfilm now? I do. If you need any help, $100, I'll teach you how. $100, I'll teach you how. Because I'll save you a couple of hours.